Follow my page. Let's start. What I want to talk about now is about of sensor, engine sensor. Yes, some engine have many sensors. You get knocking sensor, you get steaming sensor, you get firing sensor. And the type of sensors, you get exhaust sensor, when they are called oxygen sensor. All of them are working in the engine. When what's the sensor? Some of them. Counting sensor is that counting sensor fail. Sometimes like this, your motor will be doing brake approach, but you don't know that thing that your cost or thing caught or it was brake in your car. And so because some of them follow with better engine come, the thing will be strong to remove. Some mechanics will try to remove it, the thing will break, then we leave it. But what the thing will cause is that if you are seeing if the motor is steaming, sometimes it will be off. We think that it is battery or whatever, but it's because of the timing, I mean, counting sensor, engine sensor. So what you do is that we call some people will take the motor to where we scan it and check it with the timing. Somebody will know it is about what the motor is doing. If you check one or two things that we check, if the thing is not, and we go direct to the thing, check the thing is connected, you know that the thing, because the thing may have valve inside the engine. If the valve is not clean, if you can test it direct, you see how the thing is shooting like noise. But if it is okay, we just